First-party property claims in Illinois are a world of their own. Unique building codes, regional weather exposures, and a legal landscape all its own. The Illinois Property Claims Workshop exists to make sure you're ready for all of it. It's a recurring, expert-led program for the professionals who serve Illinois policyholders. Public adjusters, appraisers, umpires, contractors, restoration pros, and consultants. Learn first-party claims, dispute resolution, and the business operations that run a practice. No theorists, no generalists, just years of real, current expertise. It's founded by Daniel Eftemoff of Daylight Loss Consulting on a mission to elevate education across the state. You'll walk away with sharper skills, stronger connections, and better outcomes for your clients. Because the best in the business never stop learning. The workshop is proudly branded and sponsored by Kuva Media, founded by public adjuster Sarah Parker. Expert education for Illinois property claims professionals. Register today and reserve your spot.